But as with most good things in life, cordless vacuum cleaners don't come cheap, especially as less mains power means more tech for extra suction. If you don't fancy the Dyson, we've rounded out the 10 best other options on the high street right now below. 1. Vaxair Cordless Upright Cleaner. £139.99. Despite not being the lightest of vacuum cleaners, you do get a lot of power for your money with this upright option, thanks to the vacuum's wind tunnel and cyclone technology that has 3 channels of deep suction, meaning it's perfect for pet hair. One of the most defining features of the vacuum is that its batteries only take 2 to 3 hours to charge. However, once it's all set up, cleaning the house will become your favorite chore of them all. You can get it from John Lewis for £249.99. 4. Heat 2-in-1 Stick Cleaner. £149.99. The 2-in-1 aspect of this cordless vacuum means that as well as working as your regular, upright vacuum cleaner, you can also remove half of it and turn it into a handheld version to attack hard-to-reach places or small road spills. The addition of an LED light also means that you won't miss any spots when cleaning dark corners. You can get it from John Lewis for £149.99. 5. Hoover Freedom Cordless Vacuum, £99.99. Looking very coincidentally like a Dyson thanks to its pistol grip handle, it's a lot cheaper than its expensive rival. However, what it gains in affordability, it lacks in performance, with noticeably different levels of suction and flexibility across the board, compared to higher-priced vacuum cleaners. You can get it from Argus for £99.99. 6. Bosch Afflet Runtime, £329. A long battery life, quick charge time and huge 9-liter capacity make this Bosch #1 of the best of the bunch. It comes with loads of handy add-on tools for all your different pieces of furniture and floors too, making it great for both a quick run around the house or the full deep cleaning experience. You can buy it from Currys for £329. 7. Dyson V8 Cordless Vacuum, £339. Okay, so before we say anything else, there's no denying that this is an extortionate price to pay for a vacuum cleaner, costing double what some of its rivals do. However, the suction, versatility, and battery life of the device is also exceptional, so if you have the cash to splash, you'll unlikely to be disappointed with the results. You can buy it from AO for £339. 8. Henry Cordless Vacuum, £199.99. Everything you love about classic Henry, but without the pesky cord. Kind of. As while you won't need to plug this Henry into a main socket, it's an interesting approach to the old cordless category, considering you'll still have to pull Henry's famous body along behind you as you hoover. But with 30 minutes runtime and only 3.5 hours needed to recharge, there are some major plus points when it comes to hefty Henry hoovers. You can buy it from Argus for £199.99. 9. Tech Power Floor, £249.99. Not only do we love the bright color of this device, but it also features that same easy-to-use pistol grip handle as the Dyson et al. Much less bulky than its predecessors, while it is admittedly very powerful, it only has a 20-minute runtime. Therefore, rather than professional cleaners and big families, we reckon the tech is much better suited to the likes of London dwellers living in small flats that want a high-performance device for cleaning up to 3 rooms that they can easily tuck away into cupboards after. You can get it from the tech site for £249.99. 10. Hoover Discovery Cordless Stick, £99, boasting some promising reviews on Amazon and more than 4 out of 5 stars. This option seems to have a lot of happy customers who quote a strong battery life and high performance as some of its most redeeming factors. The price has been consistently slashed since it's launched, originally retailing at £250, making it an absolute bargain for anyone that's after a decent cordless vacuum that's not going to cost them the world. You can buy it from John Lewis for £99.